Hey, you'll have to excuse the terrible camera quality, very sorry about that. I'm recording it in HD too, don't worry about that. I'll upload that later today, hopefully. But we're outside the shopping centre, probably can't see over there, there's a sign over there. And the snow is just pelting down. Unbelievable. Extremely massive flakes, very wet snow. There's got to be at least 3-4 inches of it on the ground already. And some just landed on my finger. And yeah, that's what shot over there. Wait, no, not over there. Over there. Yeah. Let's see what the kettles are there. Winter Wonderland. Wait for it. Just gonna slip in the snow. 3, 2, 1. Aww. Anyway, see you next time.